Hey guys, welcome back to MS Word tutorial series. How often do you go through the whole content of MS Word to search something? Generally, most of the people go through the whole content or read line by line in order to find a specific answer for a question. If you are facing similar issues, no worries. Search functionality in MS Word is very helpful. For searching any content, select the word you want to copy. Let's say I would like to search this question and I will just right click, copy. I'll go on the top right corner of the MS Word. As you can see here, there is a search option. I'll click it. You can type the content that you want to search, or you can simply right click and paste and hit enter. So as you can see, since the so we have to be very careful with regards to what you are searching. Microsoft Word generally searches the exact content that you have. And this sort of long sentence is applicable if you have the same sentence within the content. Or else, let's say we are going to search for is video powerful medium. So in this case, so what could be the possible answer? So there might be some answer with powerful. So let's go and select powerful, right click, copy, and go to the search option, paste it, and hit enter. So as you can see, the powerful can be found in three places. And then simply we can go and read the sentence that we have powerful, which will save our time. Let's learn how to search and replace the word. Let's say I have a video. Let's select a video. I copied this word that I wanted to replace, and I will just go to the same search option, and there is a drop down where you can find or replace. So let's click it. As you can see here, I got two fields. In the first field, you can find the content you wanted to replace. So let's go here, click it, and paste the content that you wanted to search. As soon as we paste it, as you can see here, the whole word that we wanted to change get highlighted. Let's say I would like to replace the whole video with audio. In that case, I will type audio that I wanted to replace with. Let's say I wanted to replace one by one. So since the highlight is on this video, if I click replace, as you can see here, it gets changed to audio. So similarly, I can hit replace and change one by one by reading the sentence if I intentionally want to change the content or not. Or else, if I'm pretty confident that I need to change all the words, then in that case, I can click replace all. And as you can see here, it says all done, we made 15 replacement. Let's see. So now every video has been changed to audio. Let's go and verify it. Let's search, go to the search option, and let's, yeah, as you can see, its video is written already here. Let's hit enter. It didn't get highlighted. So it means there is no any video within the word. Hey guys, please feel free to comment down below on what you want to learn in the next video series. And please like, subscribe, and keep loving your change. See you in the next